It's my quest. It's my quest. It's my quest to be the guest on Ellen.
Hello everyone and welcome to episode 46 of the quest to be the guest on Ellen. As you can see, still here in the swanky studio. Yes. But have to admit, things have gotten a little, well, dark ages. Haven't really had the internet for 3 weeks now, but have no fear. Still gonna be rolling.
Everything is better with Ellen.
Looking at the mirror at yourself, or looking at the mirror with Ellen. Look at her. She's great. Thanks, Ellen, for making the mirror look oh so good. Man, is it hot in here. Woo!
Come on and gather all, it's time to view my readings of Ellen.
From Ellen Degeneres. I'm so excited for season 10, I can hardly stand it. Hopefully season 10 I can be on your show.
Your guest can't do this.
Ellen, can your guest do a handstand and a push-up at the same time like I can do? Check it out.
This is your chance to do a dance for Ellen on my show. You know.
Alright, let's see if this lady walking towards me will dance for you, Ellen. Let's check it out. It's gonna be horrible. Hey, would you like to dance for Ellen Degeneres on my YouTube show? Just like any dance would work.
Sure.
Alright! Just any dance you want to do.
Okay.
Alright!
Woo!
Thank you very much!
Thank you.
Javits Josies!
Hey Ellen, it's your fan, Randy, one of your fans, and I just want to let you know that you should let Javid on your show for even 10 seconds or 5 seconds, because this guy deserves it. He's funny, he's a great guy, very sincere, and he beats me at ping pong every time I play him. So what I ask from you is to beat Javid at ping pong for me, because I have yet to beat him. So if you could get him on your show and play a quick ping pong match, that would definitely make my day and year. So you should do that.
Well, everyone, hope you enjoyed episode 46 of The Quest. Don't forget, if you want to be a Josie, you know you want to send a 1-minute video explaining why I should be on Ellen. Just send it in to getjobitonellen@gmail.com. And please, watch my vids, retweet my tweets to help me get... Did you hear something? Anyways, to help me get my butt... How annoying. Anyways, rewind that. Basically, everyone, help me get in Ellen's guest seat. Peace out, Chipotles.
Don't stop his minutes or his tweets.